Welcome back for week 2 on Google Classroom. We got off to a great start last week, and if you weren't here last week, that's okay. I'm just glad you're here now. First off, I just want to give you some reminders as far as these assignments go. You choose when to do the activities, so you could do them all on one day, or you could spread them out throughout the week. You decide. And you decide how much time you want to spend on each one. So maybe you'll really be into one of them, and maybe once through is fine for the other one. That's okay. I return assignments if you respond to them in some way. So if you comment, send me a video, do a survey at the end of it, I'll give you some kind of feedback and I will return the assignment. Some people did all 3 of those. Way to go. Right now I want to give you an idea of
This Week at a Glance.
So this gives you an idea of what activities are there and how you might want to spend your time throughout the week on music. For all you Pig the Pug fans out there, I found a new rap book. It's called Hand, Hand, Fingers, Thumb, and I didn't record this one because I think the one I found is pretty great just the way it is. Another activity this week is Incredibox. Most of you have played this before, so now is your chance to record your best mix and share it with us, and here is how. Once you find a mix that you're really happy with, this is how you record it. You go to these 3 lines right here and hit the record button. And notice how there's a dark bar right here. You have to get up to that for it to save your recording. Otherwise, it's going to tell you it's too short. All right, here we go. And that's how you stop it. Now, what you want to do is save it so that you can share it. Ms. Urs Palmer, your mix title, I'm going to dedicate mine to Ms. Middleton. Alright, then you go to share. And I want the mix link, so I'm going to go right here. And it says link copied to your clipboard. That's what I like to hear. If your link is copied to your clipboard, all you have to do is paste that link into a comment on Google Classroom, then I can see it. Next is
Staff Wars Challenge.
We've learned about the treble clef and how to read note names in 4th and 5th grade, but that doesn't mean that you can't join in the fun if you're in 3rd grade. And here's how you play the game. It's going to show you that you might need Adobe Flash Player on your computer, so if you click that, then you should be able to allow it if you have the plugin. If you're doing this on a mobile device, then it might cost money to get the app. I'm not sure. First thing you want to check is that you are doing the correct range. We want F-A-C-E, and I know it's kind of tiny, but F-A-C-E, the space notes, those 4 space notes. And we want the treble clef. That's this week's challenge. You have to be able to figure out which note it is coming across the screen before it hits this green line. Let's do it. F-A-C-E. So I find E. F-A-C. Okay, I'll show you what happens if I don't get it in time. Oh, and then look, I lost a life. If you get it wrong, oh, you lose another life. If you get a lot of them right, then you go on to a next level, and the music gets more intense. Uh-oh, game over. If you tell me your high score and the highest level you got to, then I could even start a leaderboard of who's got the highest score. And maybe you'll even get a higher score than me, but I doubt it. Last but definitely not least, I put up a dance tutorial. A lot of you guys like the cup song tutorials, so here's a dance you could try challenging yourself to learn. The song is Sunday Best. I put up the whole song and a tutorial for the TikTok dance that goes with it. It's just like a 15-second dance, and I'm gonna be honest, I haven't learned it yet, so I'm gonna be right there with you. Also, feel free to make up your own moves to this song. If you send me a video of yourself dancing, that would be amazing, because then I could put them together, make a music video to go with the song, and that would be really cool. Please, 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 please. Okay, I feel like I'm forgetting one. Oh yeah, you can catch up with what other students are doing on the Student Spotlight page on the music website. If you see something you really like, which I'm going to tell you right now, you probably will, leave a comment congratulating that student.